All right, good morning, everybody, and thanks for coming to watch how to use our website. So I'm just going to go ahead up to the search bar and I'm going to type in the URL, which is www.diigo.com. So we'll just go ahead, hit enter, and it comes up to our page. And if you don't have an account, we're just going to hit sign up. It's super easy. We're just going to choose the free plan. This allows you to access everything still. We're going to put in our username. So you'll choose a username, you'll choose your email, you'll make a password, you'll click I am not a robot, and you'll hit create account. This will put you into your account, and if you already have one, we'll just go sign in, and we're going to put in our username and our password. So there we are, we're up in here, and actually just when you get started, they do have a couple things to just help you out on how to use the website itself, but we're going to show you how to do that today. So once you get added into a group, you can choose how many people you want to have in your group just over here with the create group button. So that's always great, and then once you have multiple, you will have the option to search for a group by that, or you can go by the activity or the group name. So we're just going to open it up. It's pretty easy to use. It's very user-friendly, so there's a bunch of different options you can use, and we also have the group members over here, as well as you're able to tag the different things that you are working on using. So this is a pretty easy website to learn how to use and get into. So from there, we'll take you on how to use our website.